was involved in a motorcycle incident that caused a loss of my limb. The first week or a couple of days that I was in the hospital, I really didn't know what to do, but I knew that I needed to get an attorney involved. Jim Bannister is who I spoke to, and I told him I was very nervous about the situation and what I'd do. I was completely lost. I'm in the hospital. I just lost my leg. And he reassured me and asked to meet with me. Got to talk to him, and he was very straightforward. He let me know I was going to be the highest priority. So that eased my worries. I look forward to working with him. Talked over things. If I needed a question answered, needed to ease my mind because I was starting to stress out, they really did put me at a priority, and they were there. They became part of the family. Well, Alex, he's thoughtful, considerate, and very relaxed in his thought process before he returns an answer. He's very thought out about it. Jim, I was comfortable talking with him. He's very straightforward. He knows when I had a question or a situation, he knew how to answer it immediately to get it resolved. They went above and beyond all the time. Anytime that I needed them, they were there. From contacting Jim and Alex, meeting with them, to having Tim Gossett taking me back and forth to doctor appointment or to my physical therapist, or whatever I needed a ride to go somewhere because I wasn't capable to drive. And the rest of the staff here just treated me like a family. Every time I came in, I got to see a smiling face, happy to see them, happy to see me, and they were there to help me with whatever I needed to be done. It didn't end when the case ended. I was nervous about that because I thought I would just fade away, and that was not the case. They worked with me, Jim, Alex, and Ryan Pasquini. They all worked with me on where we go in my future and setting up accounts that would help me in the future to secure it. Whatever medical conditions arise, problems, issues, I was taken care of. And I would absolutely recommend them to anybody, and highly recommend them. The stress and the relief they took off my shoulders in the situations that I was in, when my mind starts overthinking, they were there to take care of it. They calmed me down.